So I've been looking for a steamer that can do it all. I want a handheld steamer that can be used for your car, upholstery, bathroom, or even clothes to keep things clean, fresh, and smelling good. Unfortunately, I only had a steamer for clothing, which is what you see right here. But luckily, I was able to find a steamer that fits all my needs. I was able to contact STEAMIFY, the maker of the steamer, to send me this handheld steamer. So here's a disclaimer. This product was sent to me by STEAMIFY for free in exchange for a video review. I'll go over unboxing it, how to use it, and my overall first impressions of this steamer. Unboxing today includes the pressurized handheld steamer and 10 accessory attachment pieces. The steamer itself has over a 9-foot power cord and a removable safety lid. The accessories give you the utility to use the steamer for whatever application you want. So here you have an angle nozzle, bendable extension, brush nozzle, fabric steamer tool, rubber wiper, a water funnel, and many more pieces. Depending on if you need to clean your car upholstery, clean your kitchen gout or flooring, bathtub, clothes, or even your sofas, there's an attachment for your application. So I really love how easy and straightforward it is just to attach and detach each nozzle to the steamer. In order to use the steamer effectively, you'll need to follow the instructions that are provided and the appropriate amount of water, which has a maximum of 280 milliliters using the provided funnel. Then securely tighten the safety lid. Plug in the steamer. Now you'll need to make sure it heats up for about 3 to 5 minutes before actually using it. So that's very important. Now you can press down the button and release it to start steaming. Attaching accessories is easy, so make sure you follow the arrows on the nozzles when installing. For steaming clothing or textiles, I'll use this fabric steamer attachment. I'll use this for my futon cover. This will definitely be ideal for steaming it, cleaning it, ironing it, getting rid of the smells, and refreshing the cover overall. For bathroom flooring or kitchen flooring and boards, I'll definitely use this nylon brush to actually keep the dirt loosening up and clean up the grime as I'm steaming it. For the kitchen sink or kitchen surfaces, I would use the straight nozzle and the extension as well for mildew, stains, or anything that's hard to get. Having it being heated will help out tremendously. With the attachments, I found that it was super versatile and had so much utility that I could use it for whatever application I needed and for whatever occasion. Now, overall, I'm very impressed with the initial testing of the steamer. I do find it very straightforward to operate. However, the thing that I had to keep in mind each time is a 3 to 5 minute wait time once I plugged it in from sitting there for me in code. Now, it's not a deal breaker. It will just be something you need to be aware of when using it. Now, the water tank being 280 milliliters can be a pro or a con depending on how often you're using it and for what application you're using it for. Now, with a fully filled up steamer with water, it can be very heavy to use after an extended period of time, so keep that in mind. Here's the weight without water on the steamer, and here's the weight with fully filled water with the steamer. The steamer's power plug cord length is super useful for maneuvering, and just having that length makes it easier to just do your things. So with all that being mentioned, I find it easy for me to use the steamer for big cleaning projects that I would otherwise be lazy to do so without the steamer. The fact that I just need the steamer and the accessories instead of using all these other extra products or chemicals to do a cleaning project makes it super easy to use and makes it less lazy for me to start cleaning. So I want to say thank you again to STEAMIFY for sending this out to me. If you're looking to have a multi-use steamer, I would definitely check out STEAMIFY's Amazon page. They have pretty good reviews and I think you won't be disappointed.